Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to replace a text in PowerPoint. Sketch very easy and simple method. One or two steps we can know how to replace a text. Here you see I will write a text. You can see here how to replace it. Guys, start a video. I will teach you how to replace. First select all. Then here you see replace option is there. Then here you see replace, click on it. Then here you find what, replace what. Here you type what replace like friend. And here you type what replace like. Then click on replace. Here you see. Or you think find. Again I will show you how to replace our which one replace like re, replace option. Then click on replace and here you type your word. And here what you have replaced. Then here you see find next, click on it. Here you see there is, you can find it also. And click on replace. Here you see there is a replace. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe my channel for latest update. Please comment this video useful or not.